If you're looking at guided sharpening systems, you've probably noticed something pretty quickly. The prices and the quality are all over the place. Some systems are more affordable and simple, while others are expensive and extremely precise. And figuring out which one actually makes sense for you can be frustrating. Over the last few weeks, I've spent time with three very different systems: the Worksharp Precision Adjust, the Hapstone RS, and the TSProf Pioneer. Today, I'm not going to do a deep dive on features or specs. If you want that, I'll have links to my dedicated reviews for each. Instead, this is going to be a straight up breakdown for who each system is best for, what it does well, and where it makes the most sense, so that you can decide where you fit. The Worksharp Precision Adjust is the most approachable of the three in both price and complexity. It's affordable, compact, and extremely easy to use, even if you've never touched a guided sharpening system before. The setup is fast, the clamping is simple, and it gets you consistent angles without much thought or effort. You can also expand its capabilities with accessories from both Worksharp themselves and third-party vendors in the aftermarket. But that ease of use does come with some trade-offs. There's definitely more flex in the system. It's not as rigid. The angle adjustment is more limited and not as precise. And it's not designed for heavy customization or long-term expansion. But for basic maintenance, occasional sharpening, and if you're just looking to get into guided sharpening systems, I think it does work. And it does its job well. So who is this system for? I would say it's for people that are new to sharpening, casual or occasional pocket knife users, and people that are on a budget. The Hapstone RS, on the other hand, sits squarely in the middle. It's more precise and rigid than entry-level systems like the Worksharp Precision Adjust, but it's also compact and manageable compared to some higher-end bench setups. The clamping is more secure and the tolerances are tighter than the Worksharp Precision Adjust, and the pair of angled clamps works well for both small pocket knives and longer knives, depending on which way you flip them. Although I will note that the clamps are not as good for thicker blade stock, so just keep that in mind when you're looking at it. It doesn't come with stones, which keeps the base price lower and lets you choose your own abrasives, but it also means there's an extra cost that you don't pay immediately that you are going to have to pay upfront. It's not as expandable or overbuilt as something like the TSProf Pioneer, but it doesn't need to be. It focuses on efficiency, consistency, and practicality. So who is this system for? I'd say it's for people that want to upgrade from a more basic entry-level sharpener. It's good for people that regularly sharpen EDC and pocket knives, or people wanting to sharpen larger knives without having to invest in a top-end system, and those who want better results without a massive footprint on your workbench. And last but not least, we have the TSProf Pioneer, and it is the most serious system of the three. It is designed for absolute precision, rigidity, and repeatability above all else. Now, the setup does take a bit longer. The clamping is a little bit more involved to get it exactly the way you want it, and it is clearly a bench tool. It's not something that you pull out for a quick touch-up. But once everything is set, the experience is extremely controlled and consistent. There's virtually no play in the system. Angle repeatability is excellent, and the platform is designed to grow with you through upgrades and accessories. It's also the most expensive option here, especially once you start adding on accessories, but it's built with long-term ownership in mind, and it really is an investment. So, who is this system for? I'd say this is for knife enthusiasts and collectors that have a lot of knives, people who sharpen often, and really anyone who wants the maximum control in their system and doesn't mind the time and dollar investment. And if I'm being honest, this is probably my favorite system of the three, but it definitely comes at a premium cost. So none of these systems are bad. They're just built for different people. The Worksharp Precision Adjust is about accessibility and simplicity. The Hapstone RS is about balance and efficiency. And the TSProf is about absolute precision and longevity. If you choose the system that matches how often you sharpen, how much space you have, and how deep you want to go into the hobby, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you enjoyed this breakdown and found it helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you catch more knife and EDC content like this. And if there are other sharpening systems you'd like me to take a look at, make sure you let me know down in the comments. And until next time, take care of yourself, Take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next video.